Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what's new on the Dress to Impress update. So as you can see, you get these cool new items. I actually don't know if these were here or not, but if it was, I think I just missed it. I think they were there, but I just never used it. But you get this new trench coat, which I'm using right now. I know it's like a little bit like not good. I don't know what I'm saying. The layer isn't good, but there's two toggles. The first one is this really long trench coat, and the second one is just like above the, well, like thigh length, I guess. And then we have this cute skirt as well. Here, I'll take off the coat so you guys can see a little bit better. We have that as well. We have this cute like fur jacket as well here. I think those are new. I've never like worn them before. Maybe they aren't, but I just like realized now. Well, the coat is definitely new because you had to play a few rounds to get it. I think the coat is new. I'm not sure about the rest because I honestly rarely go here to get some stuff, okay? But those are the new items. There aren't any in the VIP room, unfortunately. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.